उद्योग पर कोविड वैक्सीन का प्रभाव कितना पड़ा है, इस पर शेयर इंडिया में प्रबंध निदेशक कमलेश वाडीलाल शाह, जो कि मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर हैं, उन्होंने कहा कि वास्तविक प्रभाव को समझने के लिए हमें इस महामारी को समग्र रूप से देखने की आवश्यकता है। महामारी के शुरुआती चरण में मौजूदा चरण में बहुत डर और अनिश्चितता थी, जहां दुनिया भर के कई देशों ने टीकाकरण करना शुरू किया है। जीडीपी जैसे आर्थिक संकेतक, जो वास्तव में भारत में 23.9% की नकारात्मक वृद्धि दर्ज की, स्थिर होने में ऊपर की ओर बढ़ने की गति में कुछ तिमाहियों का समय लग सकता है, लेकिन कैब की शुरुआत बाजार पर सकारात्मक प्रभाव दिखाती है और तकनीकी रूप से भी अनुकूल होना चाहिए।
Hi, this is Kamlesh Shah, Managing Director of Share India Securities Limited. I would like to share my thoughts on effect of COVID vaccine on the market. To understand the real effect of vaccine on the stock market, it is important that we look at this pandemic holistically. That is, right from the beginning of pandemic, where there was extreme fear and uncertainty, to the current phase where various countries around the globe have started vaccination program. With the market trends, we can say that the COVID pandemic is very much correlated to the theory of fear versus hope. Initially, in March 2020, it was the fear that gripped the entire world and the stock market in particular. Indices were as low as 7,500 on March 24, 2020. Even though the active cases were as low as 37 with zero death in India. Gradually, the cases started to multiply from a few thousand to lakhs. However, the market then started rising. The market saw an upward trend because it was the hope that had found a place in the mind of people. Scientists and pharmaceutical companies were working day and night to bring an effective vaccine to eradicate this menace. People were hopeful that effective vaccine would be available by first quarter of year 2021. It was the hope for vaccine that took the market to all-time high across the globe. Though the economic indicators like GDP, which had gone deep into red, in fact, India recorded a negative growth rate of 23.9%. A stable upward movement in growth may take a few quarters. However, the start of vaccination has displayed positive impact on the market. The pandemic has taught us that we have to be tech friendly, as work from home is part of new corporate culture. There are few winners and more losers. This validates the fact that we need to adapt to changes. If not, then we will perish with time. Today, Nifty is as high as 14,700 as compared to the low of 7,500, and Sensex is at 50,000 as compared to the low of 25,600 in March 2020. We can definitely say that there has been victory of hope over fear, and therefore easily conclude that the vaccine has positive impact on the market. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.